Hi everyone, I am Theofanis Giotis and I am living in Athens, Greece. Actually, I'm living 5 kilometers away from Acropolis. I have about 35 years of experience in management, project management, program management, agile, and various other subjects. For the last 20 years, I am teaching project management at postgraduate level, Master of Science in Project Management, and you can see the universities. I have a lot of professional qualifications and certifications in project management, in agile project management, and I have a lot of training certifications also. PMI, Axelos, ITIL, and things like that. Some other certifications I have. And let's see what did I learn from this AI CERT program. This is a unique program which gives professional trainers like me the skills, competences, and credentials required in the new era of AI. If I want to mention some key features for the program, this would be: get proficiency in delivering AI and blockchain courses, join a network of certified professionals, get access to training material, very good training material, and get access to early new certifications. How will I apply this knowledge to my real life and professional life? As an AI CERTs trainer, I will have the following advantages. I will have the authority on the certification in AI. I will have the skills to teach and coach and influence others. I can work as a trainer, instructor, mentor, coach in AI, and also as a strategic advisor in the field of AI and project management. If I want to make it short, AI certification, it's not about knowledge in AI only. It's about helping others to use AI efficiently. And finally, why should I recommend AI CERTs to others? Because the AI CERT programs are relevant to the market, they have credibility, they are practical, real job skills, they help others to advance their careers, and they help people to do networking and to join professional communities. Some things about my company, 12PM Consulting. We are in the market since 1992, and we help business and professionals to select their ways of working by training, coaching, mentoring in project management, program, and portfolio management. We partner with a lot of organizations worldwide in order to offer top qualification services. 12PM is part of the Valence network, which covers almost all the world, and these are some customers of the Valence network. I would like to thank you a lot for accepting me in the AI CERTs Certified Training Program. Bye bye from Athens.